हेलो एंड वेलकम टू अनदर न्यू एपिसोड। एंड आज का एपिसोड सारे 10th स्टैंडर्ड के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है। 10th स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट्स एसएससी पेपर पैटर्न के हिसाब से एसएससी बोर्ड को जो फॉलो कर रहे हैं उनके लिए है ये एपिसोड। और इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट का फर्स्ट पोएम जो है वो मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कराने जा रहा हूँ। आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू समरी ऑफ द फर्स्ट पोएम वेयर द माइंड is Without Fear, written by Ravindranath Tagore, and some of the information is been mentioned in your textbook before this poem. So without wasting time, we will start with the summary of the poem. Where the Mind is Without Fear is a pre-independent poem in which the poet sincerely urges to God to awake his fellow beings for the realization that essential need to live in a free and united country. He wants his countrymen to awake and enjoy the life of full dignity and honor. His countrymen will not be superstitious or believers of blind faith. Rather than they will lead the life of enlightened and educated. He wishes to the people to be honest, open-minded and industrious. Then only they will stretch their arm toward perfection, and the nation can actually achieve the apex of success. They need us to uses their reasons over their blind faith and must be ready to accept new thoughts and ideas. He requests God to free his country from manipulation, corruption and slavery. He yearns for an awakened country where there will be freedom from mind and expression of ideas. The poem invokes the deep patriotic feeling. Our country is subjugated by caste, creed, superstitious belief, and based ideas. Tagore earnestly appeals to God that a country would be where people's head is high and knowledge is free. His country will not be divided and fragmented into pieces due to their narrow thoughts. They should express their word not from the mind but from the depth of truth and heart. He urges God to guide his countrymen for moral awakening to fight for their right against British inhuman rule, liberate them from the fear of oppression, repression and subjugation, unshackle the chain of fear and direct them to the path of progress and prosperity. They should be confident, not confined. There will not be injustice and inequality in the country on the basis of caste, creed and gender. Countrymen should be unprejudiced and open-minded, accepting the new challenges and changes. They should lead their life of decency and dignity. To conclude, Where the Mind is Without Fear is the poem in which Tagore reveals his personal quest for the divine and characterized by a variety of original themes both in thought and expression. Therefore, this poem is remarkable to a great extent, which expresses the intensity of the feeling of freedom. His poem is universal and its appeal and envision the heaven of freedom and happier future for mankind. So this was the summary about the first poem written by Ravindranath Tagore, Where the Mind is Without Fear. So that's it for today. In the next lecture, I will post some grammatical element about the poem and make a short video based on this grammatical elements about the poem. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share this video with all the 10th standard friends and subscribe this channel because I post videos like this based on education and it's totally 100% free. Okay.